Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. It's a little bit echoey in here because my room is quite empty. It's under construction basically. So yeah, today we're gonna do an unboxing of the Tabi that I was waiting for so long. Basically, I've bought it in the beginning of January and now we are at the end of February. So it took so much time to arrive. I bought it pre-loved on Grail, and yeah, the shipment was super fast, but the custom though, they kept my shoes for literally 2 months. Basically, I was obsessed with a pair of shoes and I started to begin a literal hunt, you know, to find them online. And how everything started, like most of the time, I was on Vestiaire Collective. I kept this Tabi on watch for several weeks, and then I've seen that it was sold. Then I had like this kind of, not fear of missing out, but you know, frustration, let's say, and I started to look everywhere where I could possibly find those pair of Tabis, you know. And then I came across a post on Grail, and yeah, the seller was super fast, efficient. Yeah, I asked him also at the, how you say, for the custom, to say that it was used and it was like kind of a gift. So that way I will not pay any fees, and it did so. So I'm really, really happy. So without further ado, let's not unbox, but discover together the pair of shoes. So it came in this like random box, and the shoe came without any boxes. That's kind of annoying for me because it's a colorful shoes. If it were like black or white shoes, no problem, I could display, you know, in the room. But yeah, because it's red, it's kind of bothering me. But anyways, the most important thing is that I got the shoes. So the shoes came in this bag, and as I said to you previously, I didn't buy it from the real. I never purchased on this website. I should check it out. Just the seller that decided to put the shoes in this dust bag. And here they are, my gorgeous red Tabi. Honestly, if I was Dorothy, this is the shoe, the red shoe that I will wear. Red Tabi in patterned leather, and they're gorgeous. It's like this glossy red cherry color. I love it. You see that the sole is kind of used, but not a lot, honestly. I've seen worse, so that's amazing. And the inside is also in leather. So now we're gonna try them on foot, and if you want to have, like as usual, the styling video, just let me know down in the comment below, and I will do like a special video where I style those boots. But honestly, the other unboxing, nobody asked me, request me like a styling, so I'm not doing it, you know what I mean? It takes a lot of time and energy to do it, so.
How you gonna love me if you never here, never around, said I need someone? How you gonna love me if you don't even know that I could be the only one? Even whenever I wanna get to know you better, you shut down, you don't look up. You only ever love me when I didn't talk back. I'm talking now, so don't talk back. I know I maybe tried to wait a little too long. Don't worry now, cause I never do that.
So yeah, that was basically it for this unboxing. So now I think I'm ready to do an update video of my Tabi boots or Tabi shoes collection, because yeah, since the previous one I've bought a lot. Okay guys, so let me know what you think about those shoes, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!